Hello everyone, I am Sevadra Harida from APC Mahalakshmi College for Women. Today I am going to take a class on nuclear fusion. Nuclear fusion is the process in which two lighter nuclei join together to form a heavier nucleus. So in this process, we are getting a product nucleus as a heavier one. Along with that, there will be liberation of neutron as well as some amount of energy is also expelled in terms of million electron volts. With this energy we can distract the unwanted things. So here the process initially takes place between deuterium and tritium, which combines to form a helium particle, along with that a neutron, and energy of about 200 million electron volt is also released. We know that mass defect is the imbalance in the masses between the product as well as the parent nucleus. So this mass defect value here is 0.004 atomic mass unit. One atomic mass unit is equivalent to 931 million electron volt. So here for this fusion process, there will be liberation of 3.7 million electron volt. So an application of nuclear fusion is, a main thing is controlled thermonuclear reaction. So what is the controlled thermonuclear reaction? From the name itself we can say that thermo, we know that thermo means it indicates the heat. So this reaction takes place only at a very high temperature, that is in the order of 10 power 9 Kelvin. So without heat we can't make out the thermonuclear reaction. So applications of thermonuclear reactions are magnetic bottle, then tokamak. So we will see it in the next class. Thank you.